73 Maverick with a 302, kind of a high performance motor. This whole car was restored. I got it out of a mistake. I had to buy a couple other cars, this one with it. It's a nice car. The paint job, something to be desired. It's about a good 20 feet away. She looks good, but it's got some blistering down near the door. It wasn't prepped right. But she's got an R7, I believe, rear end because it has a great automatic overdrive in it. It's just close when it cruises. It's kind of a purple color. I guess you call it passionate purple. And it really runs beautiful. You step on it, it doesn't have that jolt that can get up and go until you get into the carburation. When you really floor, she really goes nice. So it's a sweet running car. It's not intimidating when you're driving it. I'd keep it, but I've got too many cars of my own. I got to ship it back to Massachusetts, so I'm in Florida as it is, and I need to sell.